destination. I was creeping when I knew I should. The world was made of this brotherhood on me. Oh, whatever that means. It's all great sometimes when I lie in a bed just to get inside what's in my head. I feel it a little peculiar. It's all awakening when I step outside. I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. I say, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, to try. I try all the time.